They also say, "Why has no sign been sent down to him from his Lord?" Say, "God certainly has the power to send down a sign, though most of them do not know." All the creatures that crawl on the earth and those that fly with their wings are communities like yourselves. We have missed nothing out of the record. In the end, they will be gathered to their Lord. Those who reject our signs are deaf, dumb, and in total darkness. God leaves whoever he will to stray, and sets whoever he will on a straight path. Say, think. If the punishment of God or the hour should come to you, would you call on anyone other than God if you are being truthful? No, indeed, it is on him that you would call. If it were his will, he could remove whatever harm made you call on him, and then you would forget what you now associate with him. We sent messengers before you, O prophet, to many communities, and afflicted their people with suffering and hardships, so that they could learn humility. If only they had learned humility when suffering came from us. But no, their hearts became hard, and Satan made their foul deeds alluring to them. So, when they had forgotten the warning they had received, we opened the gates to everything for them. Then, as they reveled in what they had been given, we struck them suddenly, and they were dumbfounded. The evildoers were wiped out. Praise be to God, the Lord of the worlds. Say, O prophet, think, if God were to take away your hearing and your sight, and seal up your hearts, what God other than he could restore them? See how we explain our revelations in various ways, yet still they turn away. Say, think, if the punishment of God should come to you by surprise or openly, would anyone but the evildoers be destroyed? We send messengers only to give good news and to warn. So for those who believe and do good deeds, there will be no fear, nor will they grieve. As for those who rejected our signs, torment will afflict them as a result of their defiance. Say, I do not have the treasures of God, nor do I know the unseen, nor do I tell you that I am an angel. I only follow what is revealed to me. Say, is a blind person like one who can see? Why will you not reflect? Use the Quran to warn those who fear being gathered before their Lord. They will have no one but him to protect them, and no one to intercede, so that they may beware. Do not drive away those who call upon their Lord morning and evening, seeking nothing but his face. You are in no way accountable for them, nor they for you. If you drove the believers away, you would become one of the evildoers. We have made some of them a test for others, to make the disbelievers say, is it these men that God has favored among us? Does God not know best who are the grateful ones? When those who believe in our revelations come to you, prophet, say, peace be upon you. Your Lord has taken it on himself to be merciful. If any of you has foolishly done a bad deed, and afterwards repented and mended his ways, God is most forgiving and most merciful. In this way we explain the revelations, so that the way for sinners may be made clear. Say, I am forbidden to worship those you call on other than God. Say, I will not follow your vain desires, for if I did, I would stray from the path and cease to be rightly guided. Say, I stand on clear proof from my Lord, though you deny it. What you seek to hasten is not within my power. Judgment is for God alone. He tells the truth, and he is the best of judges. Say, if what you seek to hasten were within my power, the matter would be settled between you and me, but God knows best who does wrong. He has the keys to the unseen. No one knows them but him. He knows all that is in the land and sea. No leaf falls without his knowledge, nor is there a single grain in the darkness of the earth, or anything, fresh or withered, that is not written in a clear record. It is he who calls your souls back by night, knowing what you have done by day, then raises you up again in the daytime until your fixed term is fulfilled. It is to him that you will return in the end, and he will tell you what you have done. He is the supreme master over his subjects. He sends out recorders to watch over you until, when death overtakes any of you, those sent by us take his soul. They never fail in their duty. Then they will all be returned to God, their true Lord. The judgment truly belongs to him, and he is the swiftest of reckoners. Say, O prophet, who is it that saves you from the dark depths of land and sea when you humbly and secretly call to him and say, if he rescues us from this, we shall truly be thankful? Say, God rescues you from this and every distress, yet still you worship others beside him. Say, he has power to send punishment on you from above or from under your very feet, or to divide you into discordant factions and make some taste the violence of others. See how we explain our revelation in various ways, so that they may understand, yet your people still reject it even though it is the truth. Say, I have not been put in charge of you. Every prophecy has its fixed time to be fulfilled. You will come to realize this. When you come across people who speak with scorn about our revelations, turn away from them until they move on to another topic. If Satan should make you forget, then, when you have remembered, do not sit with those who are doing wrong. The righteous are not in any way held accountable for the wrongdoers. Their only duty is to remind them, so that they may be mindful of God. Leave to themselves those who take their religion for a mere game and distraction and are deceived by the life of this world, but continue to remind them with the Quran, lest any soul be damned by what it has done. It will have no one to protect it from God and no one to intercede. Whatever ransom it may offer will not be accepted. Such are those who are damned by their own actions. They will have boiling water to drink and a painful punishment, because they used to defy God. Say, instead of God, are we to call on what neither profits nor harms us? Are we to turn on our heels after God has guided us, like someone bewildered, having been tempted by devils into a desert ravine, though his companions call him to guidance, saying, "Come to us"? Say, God's guidance is the true guidance. We are commanded to devote ourselves to the Lord of the worlds, to establish regular prayers and be mindful of him. It is to him that you will all be gathered. It is he who created the heavens and the earth for a true purpose. On the day when he says, "Be," it will be. His word is the truth. All control on the day the trumpet is blown belongs to him. He knows the seen and the unseen. He is the all-wise, the all-aware. Remember when Abraham said to his father, "Azar, how can you take idols as gods? I see that you and your people have clearly gone astray." In this way we showed Abraham God's mighty dominion over the heavens and the earth, so that he might be a firm believer. When the night grew dark over him, he saw a star and said, "This is my Lord." But when it set, he said, "I do not like things that set." And when he saw the moon rising, he said, "This is my Lord." But when it too set, he said, "If my Lord does not guide me, I shall be one of those who go astray." Then he saw the sun rising and cried, "This is my Lord, this is greater." But when the sun set, he said, "My people, I disown all that you worship beside God. I have turned my face as a true believer towards him who created the heavens and the earth. I am not one of the polytheists." His people argued with him, and he said, "How can you argue with me about God when he has guided me? I do not fear anything you associate with him. Unless my Lord wills, nothing can happen. My Lord encompasses everything in his knowledge. How can you not take heed? Why should I fear what you associate with him? Why do you not fear to associate with him things for which he has sent you no authority? Tell me, if you know the answer, which side has more right to feel secure? It is those who have faith, and do not mix their faith with idolatry, who will be secure, and it is they who are rightly guided. Such was the argument we gave to Abraham against his people. We raise in rank whoever we will. Your Lord is all-wise, all-knowing. We gave him Isaac and Jacob, each of whom we guided, as we had guided Noah before. And among his descendants were David, Solomon, Job, Joseph, Moses, and Aaron. In this way we reward those who do good. Zechariah, John, Jesus, and Elijah, every one of them was righteous. Ishmael, Elisha, Jonah, and Lot. We favored each one of them over other people, and also some of their forefathers, their offspring, and their brothers. We chose them and guided them on a straight path. Such is God's guidance, with which he guides whichever of his servants he will. If they had associated other gods with him, all their deeds would have come to nothing. Those are the ones to whom we gave the scripture, wisdom, and prophethood. Even if these people now disbelieve in them, we have entrusted them to others who do not disbelieve. Those were the people God guided. O prophet, follow the guidance they received. Say, I ask no reward for it from you. It is a lesson for all people. They have no grasp of God's true measure when they say, God has sent nothing down to a mere mortal. Say, who was it who sent down the scripture, which Moses brought as a light and a guide to people, which you made into separate sheets, showing some but hiding many? You were taught things that neither you nor your forefathers had known. Say, God sent it down, then leave them engrossed in their vain talk. This is a blessed scripture that we have sent down to confirm what came before it, and for you to warn the mother of cities and all around it. Those who believe in the hereafter believe in this scripture, and do not neglect their prayers. Who could be more wicked than someone who invents a lie against God, or claims, a revelation has come to me, when no revelation has been sent to him, or says, I too can reveal something equal to God's revelation? If you could only see the wicked in their death agonies, as the angels stretch out their hands to them, saying, "Give up your souls." Today you will be repaid with a humiliating punishment for saying false things about God and for arrogantly rejecting his revelations. God will say, "Now you return to us, alone, as we first created you. You have left behind everything we gave you, nor do we see those intercessors of yours that you claimed were partners of God. All the bonds between you have been severed, and those about whom you made such claims have deserted you. It is God who splits open the seed and the fruit stone. He brings out the living from the dead and the dead from the living, that is God. So how can you turn away from the truth? He makes the dawn break, he makes the night for rest, and he made the sun and the moon to a precise measure. That is the design of the Almighty, the All-Knowing. It is he who made the stars, so that they can guide you when land and sea are dark. We have made the signs clear for those who have knowledge. It is he who first produced you from a single soul, then gave you a place to stay in life, and a resting place after death. We have made our revelations clear to those who understand. It is he who sends down water from the sky. With it we produce the shoots of each plant, then bring greenery from it, and from that we bring out grains, one riding on the other in close-packed rows. From the date palm come clusters of low-hanging dates, and there are gardens of vines, olives, and pomegranates, alike yet different. Watch their fruits as they grow and ripen. In all this, there are signs for those who would believe.